Hi, this is Lou from Lou's Antiques and Collectibles, and we buy and sell stuff for our two antique booths in the two antique malls that we're in. Maumee Antiques in Maumee, Ohio, and Plaza Antiques in Lincoln Park, Michigan. And we are still on our Florida trip, and we're going to do a video on just all the boats and the space launch that we've seen while we were on our trip. We also included a little clip of a boat tour we got to take. So this will be a little bit different video for everybody, but come along with us and let's watch the show. Look at the water slide. There's people on the water slides up on the top in that tube. We got another YouTuber sitting right here. So I think he's doing a YouTube too. Look at Curie, there's a pool up there. You see that? There's a pool. People are swimming off. top of that one, there's a water slide in that one too. Princess right next to it. So we're going to take a tour on this boat here to see some dolphins and some manatees. And we're in Cocoa Beach, Florida. So we're heading out on the boat ride.
All right, folks, welcome aboard. Welcome to my backyard. The Anhinga can't fly yet, but she doesn't like us staring at her, so now she's going to crawl down and try to hide. Or she's going to jump back in the water. There she goes. I'm out of here. This is an adult. There's also a great blue heron on the very top. Great blue heron on the very top. Go out into the open ocean. They are born here, they will raise their young here, and they will die here. So, these are tropical mammals. They have fat, but they have no blubber to insulate them. Breeding plumage is two crests over their eyes. Kind of looks like bushy eyebrows. I personally don't think it's attractive, but the females obviously do, and that's why it's called the double-crested cormorant. A foot, maybe 12 inches of water. That's called the flats. That's where I played as a child. We all had canoes.
Caribbean princess. I gotta get over here. I gotta. They're having a good time. They're really hooping it up.
Be careful, they're gonna holler back.
They did. Yeah. Yeah, I see them. There's several of them. There it goes. Comes the sound. So thanks so much for watching all the things that we got to see on our vacation, and I hope you enjoyed that, and we do appreciate all of you folks for watching. So here's a little time lapse of all the boats that we got to see in Jetty Park. So this is Lou from Lou's Antiques and Collectibles saying goodbye, and we'll see you again. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.